Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to open an account with Starling Bank. So in order to open a bank account or to open a Starling Bank account, you'll have to follow this step. First of all, make sure that you have already created your account, which means that you already have a pre-existing bank account. So for that case, you have to go ahead and open up your respective Play Store or an App Store, and then on the search box you need to go ahead and type in Starling account or just type in Starling app. And when you type in Starling Bank, press on the install button and wait for the application to be installed. So in my case, I happen to not be able to use the following app, so I'm just gonna use the website. So type in starling.com. So when you type in starling.com, it's gonna take you this sort of interface. Now here you could go and press the apply now button in order to register, and here select the account type. I'm gonna go with the personal and click the continue button. And over here you need to make sure whether you're an existing customer or a new one. So just tap on new customer. Now enter in your first name and then provide in your UK phone number, and when you've done that, click on start your application. As you do that, it's going to ask you to provide in all of the details that has been exactly on your pre-existing bank account. So now provide in a valid photo or ID of that information. It'll take about 5 to 10 minutes of your time, so make sure to provide in all of the information accurately. So that's how you can open an account with Starling Bank. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.